Okay, hello everyone. Let's have a look at the new comment in our page. This Roman shows me and okay, let's get started. Okay, I have this one, and then it says the power on your UE dashcam without an SD card installed. Okay, take the SD card out. The power on. Yeah. And navigate setting and click a factory reset. Okay. Yeah, it says factory reset. Do it. Yeah. Comes back on same display again. Wi-Fi is on. Let's have a look. Wi-Fi is on. That was off on, and then I turned off, and then back to on again now. And number 4. Okay, apps for the iPhone. Must be this one. Must be Hurricane, that one. Next. It doesn't come. I'll see it. Yeah. Yeah, I got in. And I go back to this page. Should be that. No, I already done that. Okay. Try again. I don't know this. Oh, I'm going. Yeah. Yeah. I got exactly the same thing on the monitor. connected. Now, number 5. On the app, navigate to setting and tap on the first factory reset. Okay, I'm gonna look for it. Default. I don't know this one, but the comment says factory reset. Factory reset. Then turn off the device. Right here. Finally install the SD card. Okay, let's do that. Nah. Oh yeah, it worked. Oh, it worked. It did work. It did work. It did work. Congratulations. Okay, let's go back to the story. The first of all, you better format the SD card in what's inside here. I didn't do it, but it did succeed. So, but the second of all, I make sure you have this one. You have this one here. The Wi-Fi is on. This is on, and then when it's off, there's a line across. So this is on. And then when you have like it's kind of this device, iPhone 11 or anything, phones for apps, you install the UE Compact Dashcam apps, and then all you need is connect to there. And sorry, it's very hard to share. What the fuck? I get stuck like this, then I just shut down the apps and then reboot the apps again, like that. And it's automatically connect. Should be, no? Yeah. Ah, it is off. It was on. Try again. Make sure it's on setting, no recording. No, it didn't go. But anyway, mine's being repaired. It looks like a recording something. It never happened before when it was broken down issue. Alright, thanks very much for Mr. Aiden, thanks Aiden. Your solution works with me. Thank you. Thank you. Everyone try this one. So install the apps and reset or default the set all setting of apps and then reboot this device and then it works. Thank you. Bye.